Okay, so hello guys, in this video we will be covering NIT Trichy campus tour, and we will be telling about all the main buildings and everything about NIT Trichy and how is college life at NIT Trichy. So here we go. So NIT Trichy main building, this is the admin block of NIT Trichy, and this is one of the oldest buildings and it was established in 1964. We also have a clock tower specially, which is very famous for its weird things like NIT Trichy Pride of India. Like every hour it plays NIT Trichy Pride of India. So this is the place where all the official work goes on. And deans, be it deans, director office and council members, all the work goes on here. To be very honest, I have a lot of memories here. So this is the, after coming inside the admin block, this is the place where we can see National Institute of Technology written, and this is the place where we came for the first time when we entered in our first year, and we actually have a lot of memories with this place. And if you go out of college, there are some places which you always remember, so this is one of them. Okay, so this is the place where we come for the first time for our orientation, and we also come here when we get our degrees. So this is the place where convocation and entrance both happens, and you in between you make a lot of memories with your friends, with your teams and others, and we also have a lot of good and bad. I personally have a lot of good and actually bad memories too. So yeah, this is the place and we'll go inside. So this is the training and placement cell of NIT Trichy, known as Capstone. So this is the place where everyone gets placed and internships, and also get internships. Not everyone gets placed, but fine. And again, this is the training and placement cell. So we have some mock rounds, mock interview rounds and practice from second year for the preparation of placement and internships. Again, I have a lot of bad memories from here. Actually, I will say I have only bad memories from here, but fine, happens, and this is the place that I can't forget because of bad memories. So this is Third Eye, another computer lab, and also this is the place where online tests for internships and placements happen. So let's go inside, and also again it also has more than 200 or 150 plus computers. Okay, so this is the lecture hall complex and also known as Logos. This is the place where first years have their classes, and it is properly well air conditioned. The classes are there, and let's go inside and check. This is Octagon, the computer library of campus. More than 200 plus computers with very good Wi-Fi speed, and this is accessible for 24/7, but only for boys. Like for girls, we have curfew till 9, so that is very bad. So here we get 1 Gbps, 1 Gbps speed. So it's actually very nice. If you don't have a laptop and you still want to watch anything, you can come here. This is the place where all classes happen for second, third and fourth years. And honestly, the building looks very good, but we don't actually like coming here at all. Like personally, I just don't want to come here at all, like anytime. The architecture and the symmetry, I like it very much. Like when I came for the first time, I was very impressed by this building, and in videos also this building looks very good.
So this is CCD, Cafe Coffee Day. We get good snacks and coffee here like any other CCD, but it is very expensive. So people mostly come here for parties, and this is a good hangout place. CCD is actually the special couple hanging spot, and most people come here for their first dates, and relationship starts and end here sometimes as well. This is the place which you will think you will have good memories, but end up having bad memories. So yeah.
So this is Student Center for Innovation in Engineering and Technology, or we call it as SINE. Here mostly college teams and fresh teams, not fresh teams, but technical clubs teams come here for various discussions and they work together. So this is the place where boys and girls can work together, because like also it is open for 24/7, again only for boys, not for girls.
This is the science department of NIT Trichy, and we have department of physics and chemistry here. In first year BTech we mostly have subjects of physics and chemistry, and after that we don't have much use here. But for BCA, MCA, MTech students and PhD students mostly work here in the laboratory, and honestly I just don't like coming here because of the boring labs that we had in our first year. But fine.
So this is the library of NIT Trichy, and I was very much interested to explore library when I came in first year for the first time, because I love reading books, and but I found out that only engineering and management books are available mostly. But fine, I was searching for self-help books. But that's another thing. And the library is closed today because it is Sunday, and on Saturday, Sunday it closes at 5 p.m. and on weekdays it is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So let's go inside and check out library, and it is very peaceful and very beautiful. Center of Development, Entrepreneurship Development and Incubation. Here we can pitch our startup ideas, and the college will fund your ideas and provide you some grants. And it can also connect you to VCs if you have a very good startup idea and you want to pitch it outside of college. So this is a very good thing if you want to do your own startups. And they also have some mentorship program and internships which we can do under them. And with the help of that, like again, we can explore a lot of things. So this is one of the things that we can get if we get into a very good college. Like top IITs and NITs have this very good facility which is separate from normal internships and placements. So this is the main hub where all the market is available and all the shops are available, and we have various facilities like speed post and post office, and SBI bank is also there, and we have 2K market. It is like the mini market of whole campus, and a lot of facilities are available, like we can get photo shoots and uniforms, groceries and a lot of things. Cycle shop is also there. So let's see how the mini market goes. And also the campus is 20 kilometers far from the main city, so everything is available here. And this is like the daily requirements. Everything is available. So we have murukkus and banana chips here. These are the specialties of South India. And I tried murukku after coming to college for the first time. And banana chips are my all-time favorite. So yes, this way we have a lot of biscuits, and this way we have a lot of namkeens and chips. So this is, and there we have some t-shirts and other utilities, and Maggi all-time favorite for hostelers. So everything is available at one place. And this is like everyday go-to place because we need chips and everything especially during our end sem. This is the Golden Jubilee Convention Hall, and this is the place also known as GJCH, and we came here for the first time during our first year. We get various accessories and cycles on rent and beds as well. And this is the place where official convocation happens, where you get your degree, and major fest of singers and others happens here. So let's go inside and see. Like, the hall is very big, and I think this is the biggest hall in campus.
This is MiG Fighter Jet 23BN. It was donated to NIT Trichy by Indian Air Force, and this is a very good hanging spot. This is also one of the famous places of NITT, which is shown in videos, and during sunset the scene looks very cinematic and nice. People come here to hang out with their friends and teams. Again, I have both good and bad memories from here. Like in my first year, I remember my birthday was celebrated with one of the teams, and it was a very nice experience. So at night, this place is very peaceful, and if you want to spend some time alone, this is a very good place. But then It is mostly filled with couples during evening. Yeah, this is a good couple hanging spot place.